You ever notice someone walk into a room and instantly stand out? They're not the most attractive, not the richest, not even the loudest person there. Yet everyone turns to look. That isn't luck, that's presence. And it comes from a few small things that quietly change how people see you and how you see yourself. The first one is posture. Your posture speaks long before you do. When you slouch, you look unsure. When you stand tall, you look confident. Straight spine, shoulders back, chin up. That's how you silently say, I belong here. Confidence isn't something you shout. It's something your body already communicates for you. Second thing is your face. It's the first impression you ever give. You don't need filters. You need consistency. Wash your face, moisturize, protect it from the sun, repeat. Healthy skin doesn't mean you're vain, it means you respect yourself. And the tiny things like shaping your eyebrows or keeping your lips hydrated. They sound small, they completely change how awake, sharp, and alive you look. Next is your hair and your scent. They're your invisible signature. Hairstyle that fits your face can change your entire energy. And your scent? That's your personal memory print. People might forget what you said, they never forget how you smell. Go for clean, subtle, fresh. You don't have to overpower a room. You just need to leave a trace that says, I've got my life together. Then comes your style. Forget brands and trends. The real secret is fit. Clothes that fit right make anything look good. Even a simple plain t-shirt looks premium if it fits your body properly. Add one small detail, chain, a watch, a clean pair of shoes, and suddenly you look intentional, confident, and composed. And finally, the real game changer, your energy. It's not about being loud or trying to impress people. It's about being calm, grounded, and sure of yourself. Real confidence isn't in your words. It's in your presence. It's the way you walk, the way you make eye contact, the way you carry silence without feeling small. People might not remember your outfit, but they'll always remember how you made them feel. So stop chasing perfection. Start mastering presence. Because sometimes the smallest changes, your posture, your tone, your habits, don't just change how you look, they change your entire aura. And that's what makes you unforgettable.